Going through all my HP printers again, the Canons, I think it's a Lexmark in there too. And these with a Hall effect sensor, I thought, I didn't even think about inspecting to remove the rubber. Well, I wound up removing the rubber on all these other smaller diameter rods, and I have to measure them. I don't know if that's 6 mil, but hopefully those are 6 mil because with the cache of 4 now, carriages, I didn't disassemble them yet because the original plan was back when I started taking them apart was just use these as is for XYZ axis, and looking at the monoprice Select Mini version 2, the Colossal build, and then the Optimus, I forget what the other one is. I thought, well, maybe I'll just use the rods. And I started thinking again for the gantry, for the x-axis, let's see if I can get these rubber pieces off. Technically, they're a smaller rubber piece, so a little bigger piece, which might come in handy for the PET or other plastic film, not filament, but strips to have the rollers. So I'll save those for now, not pitch those. But yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, there's that. And then I was also kind of assessing my microwave fans too, potentially used for ventilation for a 3D print box. I'm not 100% sure I want to use those. I almost think a box fan with a filter taped on seems super easier and definitely can get the airflow if it needs to flow. But other than that, I think this is the first video I shot with a Samsung was it J3 Luna Pro, I think it is. So anyhow, enough blah, blah, blah. Enjoy. Have a good one. Be safe and stay healthy.